very long time ago. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? What did I do? Beautiful.
Beautiful. What are you doing?
Huh?
You want me to get
Soon.
these more to cut out?
Yeah. Yep. I recommend using the rolly. This one's done too, you see? It's gonna seem allowance. The heads of insanity. So the brim's gonna need more interfacing as well. But I'm starting with just interfacing everything so that it has like an actual weight to it that we need.
Yeah.
Because it's a very thin fabric. Huh. Yankee with no brim? What?
What is that from? I remember. I swear I remember.
What's that mean? Is being a Yankee just being from New York as a state?
I'm pretty sure.
Or is it just the city?
I don't know. Like New Yorkers from the Buffalo area are completely different than New Yorkers from like.
Right. Felt the city. The fuck?
Oh, I remember that now. Okay. Dude literally just has a Yankees hat on with no brim.
Oh. What?
Huh?
What you apologizing for? That's okay. Huh. Okay. Thank you. Little bucket hat assembly line.
You okay?
Yeah. I
I was just gonna say that.
think that's what it is.
I wonder, how often do you dairy?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's just fucking you up for some reason.
Possible.
You're like a weird version of lactose intolerant.
I feel like I was fine before.
Well,
Was I? How do you like?
yeah, you were fine. Like before you ate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you cancel out dairy? What cancels out dairy, guys? Mochi cake?
Oh, that's just more dairy.
Cankle?
Cankle? Yeah, I've got those.
What cancels out dairy?
In reality, I'm just taking longer to do.
So that it looks like what? What we have. Except for the brief moment where we were watching memes while I was eating.
True.
So I've discovered what fucks my throat up. Yes, it's my postnasal drip, but also dairy products.
Gary, come home.
And dairy products aren't freaking up my stomach or anything. It's just making my throat weird. Are you Googling it? If dairy can fuck your throat up? Are you Googling how to cancel out dairy?
No.
The opposite of dairy. Lemons. Is lemons the opposite of milk?
Is lemons the opposite of
It's a pretty good guess.
It didn't say.
It didn't? I'm just weird? I'm a genetic freak! Make your chances of winning drastic go down!
You take my 66.6% chance.
Shit percents?
Macromus?
Macron.
Merry Chrysler. Happy Christmas. Video.